Welcome to Andy Walker Construction Company. Creating a media wall in the UK is a popular home improvement project that can elevate the aesthetics and functionality of your living space. A media wall typically houses a TV, sound system and other electronics, often with added storage or decorative features like fireplaces or shelving. Here's a process to create a media wall. Measure the wall where you plan to install the media wall. Consider the dimensions of your TV, sound system and any other components, like a fireplace. Decide on the layout and features of the media wall. Common features include built-in shelving, storage cabinets or even an electric fireplace. Sketch a design or use design software to visualize the media wall. Choose the materials you want to use. Options include MDF, plasterboard, wood or metal framing. Also, consider the type of finish you want, such as paint, wallpaper or laminate. Ensure the wall can support the weight of the TV and other components. Plan for power outlets, cable management and any necessary electrical work. You may need to run new wiring behind the wall to avoid visible cables. Construct the frame using timber or metal studs. This frame will support the TV, shelves and any other components. Ensure the frame is level and securely attached to the existing wall. Install reinforcement where the TV will be mounted. This might involve additional studs or a plywood backing to ensure the TV bracket is securely attached. Install any necessary electrical outlets, switches and wiring. Ensure you have power points in the correct locations for your TV, sound system and any other electronics. Cover the frame with plasterboard, drywall, or MDF panels. Ensure all joints are smooth and the surface is ready for finishing. Cut out openings for the TV, speakers, or any built-in storage. Once the plasterboard is in place, tape and joint the seams, then sand them smooth. Apply a primer coat if you plan to paint the wall. Mount the TV bracket to the reinforced part of the wall. Ensure it is level and secure, then attach the TV. Install shelves, cabinets or an electric fireplace as per your design. Ensure everything is securely attached and level. Paint the media wall or apply your chosen finish, for example, wallpaper, tiles. Ensure the finish is clean and professional. Plug in all electronics, ensuring cables are managed neatly behind the wall. Use cable ties or clips to keep everything organized. Power on your TV, sound system and any other components to ensure everything works correctly and all cables are properly connected. Add decorative elements like plants, picture frames or books to the shelves to complete the look. Sit back and enjoy your new media wall. Whether you're watching a movie or just showing off your stylish new feature, you've created a stunning focal point in your home. Creating a media wall can greatly enhance your living space, providing both function and style. Thanks for watching Andy Walker Construction Company.